Did you know that in Beijing there's a restaurant that does a Chinese and French fusion cuisine? It's become popular among young people today, and I'm so curious to try the dishes. Let's go have a taste. Today, I'm going to be trying 3 dishes here at this French-Chinese fusion restaurant. The first one is a traditional French beef tartare, but it's not just a traditional beef tartare. It has a fusion of Chinese flair. On top, you can see there's actually fried tofu skin, so you already have that Chinese-French fusion here. Oh wow. Okay guys, let's give this a taste and see how these two pair together. Whoa, I didn't mention, but around the side of this is some Sichuan chili oil. In this style, he's customized it a little bit more for the Chinese flavor, and the beef is actually half cooked. So it's kind of adapting again this French style for maybe the Chinese palate and adapting it for serving it here in Beijing. I'm really excited for this one because we have this low temperature roasted pork neck. So low temperature roasting is a very traditional way of cooking French food, French meat. It helps keep the flavor in it, it helps make it moist, and also it keeps the nutrients inside. And so the chef here has actually taken this French way of cooking meat, but it has a twist, of course, and he's added some Guizhou sour soup sauce. I could eat like so many bowls full of this. The Guizhou sour soup is such an iconic part of Guizhou cooking, and the fact that he's mixed this together with this French style, it's such a nice fusion together. Let's move on to our final dish, which is this highland barley risotto. And one theme that we've seen here at this restaurant with the Chinese and French fusion is that the chef has sourced some ingredients from both China and from abroad. So you'll find these international flavors are mixing with local Chinese flavors that you can get here in China. And that's what we have with this risotto. So this highland barley is special here in China. So he's taken like a little bit of a twist on a traditional risotto. It was so fascinating to try 2 different cultures together at once at this restaurant. This year marks the 60th anniversary of China and France diplomatic relationships. And I feel the food here perfectly fuses those 2 ties together. If you're curious to have a try, come taste it here.